So this is a study that's been funded by the NHS Artificial Intelligence Award, and it was really to look at the role of AI in breast screening in terms of arbitration. So we're working with a UK-based company, and the trial started at the beginning of December, and we'll hopefully finish recruiting by the end of April. And we're basically looking at we have two arms. We have a control arm, because in the UK we double read all our images. So we have qualified readers and we double read. And if we disagree, it goes to arbitration. And even if we agree to recall the case, it goes to consensus arbitration, where we review the case to make sure that we're only recalling those things that we think are cancers. So by adding in our experimental arm, which is with the AI, we have 3 readers. So we have the AI algorithm and the 2 human readers. If they agree to recall the case, it goes for consensus arbitration. And if any of the 3 readers disagree, it goes to discordant arbitration. And what we're looking at is the impact of artificial intelligence in terms of the numbers. So the trial has started. We don't have the data, so I don't have numbers that I can discuss with you. But certainly our arbitration rate has increased from 5% to about 23%, which is quite a significant increase, but not unsurprising given that you've now got a third opinion in the mix. So rather than having 2 readers, we've got 3 readers in the mix. So this trial is the first in the UK, because all the other studies that have taken part in the UK using artificial intelligence have either been retrospective studies or service evaluations. So this is the first trial that the Leeds Teaching Hospital is taking part in. So we're really quite excited about that, and hopefully should be able to present our results by the summer.